Alright, so we have a serious fucking problem here. I dropped my squid tube in a fucking huge thing of water and it splattered everywhere. So I'm just gonna put it on this liquor bottle bag. I have absolutely no fucking idea what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. You don't need to see my face, I'm really ugly right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these scallions. I don't know why the fuck I cut so many. That was a mistake. I'm gonna use this much. So I'm gonna put the rest back and pretend I didn't touch it. Alright, so we're probably only gonna use like, maybe like this much. Only. We have a, I'm getting water everywhere. Ah, I just dropped them on the floor. Fucking bitch. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. We have the fucking squid tube. Fucking cutting technique. I'm drunk right now, so if I cut my fingers, I cut my fingers. I won't remember it anyway. Alright, and then we're gonna take our Subway sandwich here. Have a bite of this while we make more food. We don't want it too thin, we don't want it look too thick. That's too thin. Oop, too fucking much. I'm gonna add some shrimp to it. Where the fuck is my fucking clam meat, dude? Did that even fucking exist to begin with, or am I just fucking tripping balls right now? Clam meat. We're gonna take an egg, crack it. I never cracked an egg like this before, so I just did it. That just shows that you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Oh my god, it's already been 11 minutes! God, I gotta hurry up. We're gonna put this in here. Is this gonna fucking fit? Dude, my pan is not that big. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Nah. Fuck it. We'll make it fit. Now we're gonna grab our sandwich again, and we're gonna take another bite. And I'll get back to you when that cooks.